Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Chef Davido, and today we are going to make just a simple recipe of chips masala, and we are going to start. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. We are going to start with a little oil, cooking oil. Then we start with onion, little onion, and stuff. After that, we are going to put some green popcorn, then little ginger. After that, we are going to add some garlic. We are going to do it faster because we want it to be so sweet. At the moment, we are going to add little salt. Then add masala powder, little masala powder, either pilau or cinnamon. After like 3 or 5 minutes, we are going to put some chili liquid. Then you start completely. And to turn color little to brownish, you have to put some just little soy sauce. Little. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. Then for sweetness, you can add either honey and tomato sauce. Just make it sweet. Then after that, now we can add our cheese inside. You can add just little and then start mixing them completely. Just so. Wow, now they look yummy, sweet and delicious. You can add some danias for flavoring, just little. Yeah. And now I think they are all ready to be transferred to a plate where you can have them ready to eat. Wow. See how they are sweet. Then don't forget to garnish with little vegetables, some onions, some green popcorn, some dania. Wow. And they look. Now guys, see how they are so attractive, so sweet. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment. Yeah, welcome. I go by the name Chef Davido.